Māia.
TLX14.
Chit my whānau, we wanna let you know ko Wai mātou. We're Whai Māia Whātua Ōrākei, focusing hard on finding pathways like the kahupo, kiri wana so or for growth areas. Let us tell you more. Toi whenua, whatua, toi tupuroa, toi whānau, reheko! Whatu ngaro te tangata, toi tu te whenua. Paurewa taonga, takapara folk, kaitiaki of the land. Now you know, nei rā te kaupapa o toi whatua, taku reo, taku māpihi maurea. We're matatini around the corner, get your pew out for kapahaka. Hauora is paramount. Taking care of yourself is what we're about. Get your ears checked, eyes checked, teeth too. NIB Health Insurance is here for you. Housing prosperity is included too. Toi whānau me tū pohokereru. We got potential in all of us. Grants and scholarships, we got you sussed. Ko ha mai, ko ha atu, reciprocity. Ko tahitanga will keep us hearty. Prepping for the future, focusing on STEAM. Employment opportunities, that's us main.
Hey, can I make one thing clear?
Check your whānau poro.